No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is not known. I'm starting with Inception as a high information movie guess with distinctive year, rating, genres, director, and cast. I will accept the cookie banner, select the matching drop-down row, and click the guess button because typed text alone will not submit. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Inception year is red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2010 by more than 2 years, and rating is red with a down arrow, so it's below 8.3. There are no visible overlaps for action, adventure, sci-fi, the shown actors, or Christopher Nolan, so I will try La La Land to test a newer non-action movie with drama, romance, music, and a lower rating. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest visible guess has year red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2013, and rating is yellow with a down arrow, so the target is slightly lower than 8.3, likely around 7.8 to 8.2. Drama is green while adventure and biography are not, with no actor or director overlaps, so I am trying 3 Billboards Outside Ebbing, Missouri as a newer drama movie with rating near 8.1 and different crime cast and director. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. 3 Billboard shows year red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2019, and rating yellow with a down arrow, so the target is slightly below 8.1. Comedy and drama overlap while crime does not, with no visible actor or director overlap, so the holdovers is a strong newer comedy drama movie candidate around 7.9. Nice, we got it. The answer was the holdovers, solved in 3 guesses. The key clues were that it was a movie, newer than the early guesses with a lower rating around 7.9, and the drama overlap pointed us toward a recent comedy drama.